Hello, everybody. This is architect Sami Shahata. I have been teaching students since 2016. I will be teaching you like design projects, also Revit software and CAD. Mainly, we'll focus on the concept, then we go through the whole design phase till we can get your idea implemented. The main courses that I'm teaching is design courses, Revit courses, AutoCAD courses, Photoshop and Lumion as well as. In the journey of learning a lot of things about architecture, we will be having a lot of things to do, like starting from design small projects like villas. Then we will go through a lot of projects like until we reach to the graduation project. I hope you enjoy this journey with us. Contact me through the private teacher and you are welcome at any time. Thank you. Good luck.